We'll guide you through how to reset the Snapchat Discover feed. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Snapchat. So if we go and swipe across and go and open up the Stories and Discover page, you may be bored of what you're currently seeing in your Discover. Maybe you've gone and watched it all and so you want to go and reset it so you can go and see more content and something new. We're going to guide you through the steps, so make sure it's this full guide. Now there are multiple ways you can go about this as well, so you can go and watch this full guide and then complete them or decide what way is going to go and work best for you. Make sure it's this full thing so you're going to go and know them. So for the first option, literally all we're going to do is a refresh. So what you can do is go and drag down on this page, then release and go and wait, and you'll go and notice the Discover then goes and changes and you get a new set of content you can go and watch, resetting it. This isn't the only way though, so do keep watching. So the next way you can do this is by pressing your profile icon in the top left. Then you need to go to the top right of this profile page and go and find the gear cog icon to open up settings. You want to go and scroll down into app and privacy, and then here you can press my privacy and data. Then what you want to do is go and find clear data, and at the bottom you can find the option for reset suggested content. Tap there and it says this will reset most personalization of your public content feeds. So what we can do is go and press reset. It does say allow a few minutes. So what we then need to do is go and press OK. Snapchat's going to go and close and we can then go and open it up again. And you can come here and everything's going to go and refresh and it will go and be reset. Just be patient when it goes and reloads. And as you can see, there it is. If you want to see more useful how-to guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got lots more content to come, so make sure you stay tuned. And there's already a ton on the channel, which I'm sure you're going to find useful as well. So feel free to check it out.